What's up YouTube, T-Berry here. And in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I design my shirts, but I'm gonna also show you how you can start getting paid for your designs. Don't think that you need to invest in a heat press machine or Cameo or a Cricut machine in order for you just to get started. No, you can actually get started with $0 and make money. Okay, so let's go. Okay, y'all, so I am in front of my computer screen right now, and I have like this little design that I had sketched up that I want to see on a shirt. So I'm gonna show you guys. It says fully charged. You guys can see that. Doesn't it look good? Yeah, fully charged. I wanted to say fully charged, but anyways, doesn't it look good? Why are you lying to me? My design sucked. And you know it sucks. My design sucks. But hey, it's okay though, because the image that I have in my head, looks good. I just cannot get it placed on a I cannot get it placed on a paper properly. So we're gonna go to the computer and try to just text it up and make it look nice for a t-shirt. Okay, so let's go to the computer. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is go to canva.com so we can make this design really quickly. And as you can see, Canva have a lot of graphic animations for your presentation, Instagram posts, which is very helpful if you're selling t-shirts, because you do want like you know, a good ad video you can post on your story, or have somebody else post on your story, whatever the case may be. It just looks professional. But we're gonna just go ahead and create a design, and we're gonna go to logo. With my logos, I always come in here and then I will resize it. Now I'll just resize it 2000, and this do this 2001. Resize. Okay, now it's time to get started with the fully charged. We're gonna go to text so we can write out fully charged. As you can see, they have some nice little presets that you can choose from. Yeah, I know you guys will have fun with this stuff right here, but me being plain Jane, I'm just gonna go ahead and add a heading. So we're gonna go fully, and we're gonna add another heading, charged. Get that off each other. Okay, I'm just gonna highlight both of those, and I will want the size to be let's just say 300 or a little bit bigger. So let's just say 330. And I'm gonna change the font. Bangers and Intro Rust is my favorite font, so I'm just gonna look at Intro Rust first. No, not that. So let's go to Bangers. Okay, bam, Bangers, fully charged. And I always go for like a graphic or something that goes along with fully charged. I was thinking about a lightning bolt, but thinking of charge, I kind of think about battery. So I'm gonna go ahead and just click on go to battery. Okay, elements. Let's go to elements first, and then let's click on battery. And let's just scroll through real quick. Look at some of these batteries. Okay, we're gonna go with this one. Okay, so you see it has like the Crown and Pro. I can use this because I have Canva Pro. They have a 30-day free trial that you guys definitely should sign up for. If you are going to use Canva, link would be down in the description below if you guys want to try that out. But yeah, I have Canva Pro because when I download my designs, I need the transparent background, and that just knocks out many more steps of elimination I would have to go through trying to figure out how to make the background transparent. So we're just gonna let's take out the E. Give it some little space. That should be big enough. And put the battery right in between there. Fully charged. Okay, and let's change this color to green. 100%. That green battery be 100%. That thing be green. Fully charged. That's cool. Let me see. I think I want to change the color of this now to like the little, I guess, a lightning bolt yellow. We could do that. Something like that. That looks good. Yeah, fully. Let's do that as well. And okay, let's change this green. It's a little bit too light for me. Let's go darker. A little bit darker. Let's see. There we, yeah. Okay. Fully charged. I'm just gonna group these together, so now I can just move them like that. And let's just make these, we'll just make this bigger. Make sure the position is centered. Now with this battery, make this battery bigger as well. Bam. Okay, fully charged. Exactly how I drew it up on paper, right? Yeah, exactly how I drew it up on paper. So let's go ahead and download this. And since I have Pro, I can click on that transparent background. Thank you, Jesus, and download it. Okay, so now that's getting downloaded. I'll exit out this. Okay, so since now that's downloaded, in the process of downloading, we're going to, yeah, still downloading. Give my computer a few seconds. It's acting slow today for some reason. The picture should pop up with a transparent background though. Where's my picture computer? Okay, it's still trying to load, I guess. So while that's loading, we're gonna just go to, while that's downloaded, we're gonna go to Printful. Printful.com, and we're actually gonna put this, we're gonna put this design on the shirt to see what it would actually look like. So I already have an account with Printful.com. I'll go over here to product templates. Or templates, how do y'all say it? I say templates. I'm gonna create your first product template. Create that. Men's clothing, t-shirt, and the unisex, the good old unisex Bella Canvas 3001. If you guys haven't seen my review on this shirt is still one of the best shirts I own. I love this shirt. The fit, quality, everything about this Bella Canvas is perfect. If you guys haven't seen my video on this, please go back and watch it for me. So we're going to click on drop. Let's drop our design. Okay, first we gotta upload it. Come on, upload. This must be it right here with fully. Yep, there it is right there. We're gonna choose that. Let that upload. Place it on our shirt. Bam, fully charged on a shirt, and that's how it will look. Okay, that is nice. And it took me I don't know, 10 minutes maybe, possibly. I don't know how long this video is right now, but we're gonna go over here to product, and we're gonna just choose the colors that we want. So right now we're at black heather. We're gonna click on black. Where's my favorite? Dark gray heather. This right here, it looks good. Look at that. That dark gray heather just look good on everything. Like any color can just go with that dark gray heather. Like you can't go wrong with that. Let's see, red should look good as well. Yep, red, heather orange. That looks nice. Kelly, that's okay. Kind of goes in with the green battery. Aqua. Okay, guys. So yeah, we completed the shirt. So we're just gonna after you chose your colors that you want your shirt in, we're gonna just go down here and press continue. And we can just name this fully charged. Oh, my bad, I was spelling that wrong. Yeah, we'll name it that, fully charged. Okay, so once you have that saved in, you can click over here to product templates. And as you can see, you have your shirt right here, and you can go ahead and make an order. And if you have a store, you can go ahead and add it to your store. So if you have an Etsy shop, if you have eBay, if you have Shopify, whatever it is that you have where you sell your clothes online, you can integrate Printful with that store. So when a customer orders a shirt, Printful will fulfill that order for you and ship that thing right out to the customer. You don't have to pay for anything. So just only thing you have to do is just make sure that you set your price higher than what it's going to cost for you to ship it. So if the shirt is $15, then just make sure that the customer is paying like $19.99 or $25, whatever the case may be that you want to, set your prices up. I'm not here for you to, help you set your own margins and things like that. You guys know where you want to, how much money you guys want to make for your products and things like that. So, but right now is just the best time to do it. It's July. We're coming up on the holiday season. People are going to be spending a lot of money, during the holiday season on shirts and things like that for gifts and presents. So go ahead and get into your creative bag and start, making these shirts. I mean, what can you lose? It's literally free. You can watch this video over again and just repeat the steps that I did. Not saying you have to use fully charged, of course, but you can just use anything. You can use anything. You guys are creative. I be seeing you guys in the comments. You guys are creative. So yeah, if you guys like this content, I really enjoy making this. So please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.